In today's video, I'll show you how to generate multilingual voiceovers in ElevenLabs so you can turn the same script into natural-sounding audio in different languages. If you're new to multilingual voiceovers, the main idea is simple. You take one script and convert it into multiple languages while keeping a consistent voice style and tone. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech or dubbing section, depending on what features are available in your workspace. This is where you'll handle multilingual voice generation. Next, prepare your script in advance. Keep it clear and simple, because straightforward sentences translate and sound better across different languages. Now choose a voice that you want to keep consistent across languages. This helps your content sound recognizable no matter which language is used. Once your voice is selected, enter your script into the editor and choose the target language option if available. Select the language you want your voiceover translated into. Now click Generate and let ElevenLabs process the text and create the voiceover in the selected language. After the audio is ready, listen carefully to the result. Pay attention to pronunciation, pacing, and clarity, especially since different languages may change the rhythm of the speech. If something doesn't sound right, adjust the script or try regenerating the audio with slight changes for better natural flow. Once you're satisfied, download the multilingual voiceover and repeat the process for other languages if needed. This workflow is especially useful for global content, marketing campaigns, and educational materials that need to reach different audiences. And that's how you generate multilingual voiceovers in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.